Okay, welcome back to one more video from Diku Creations. In this video, let me take the concept of trigonometric ratios of some specified angles. So before we actually get into this particular topic, if you are watching this video first time, please do subscribe, support and share this video for your friends, family members. Okay, so now here I have already written some of the trigonometric functions. As I have been explaining this, we have basically the 6 trigonometric function: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. The standard angles also I mentioned here: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Okay, now in this video I'll be going to explain the very easy way to fill this table in order to solve any trigonometric ratio problems. This particular table values are very much essentially required. Okay, so now in order to fill this particular table, let me use a simple logic. Okay, so here I will write the number 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. For all the numbers I will divide by 4. By 4, by 4, by 4. Next, in the next step, I will take the square root for each number. So now I will simplify and I will write 0 by 4 is 0. Square root of 0 is going to be a 0. Once again I will repeat, under the root of 0 by 4, 0 by 4 is going to be a 0. Therefore sin 0 degree value is going to be 0. Now comes to the next one. 1 by 4, square root of 1 is 1. What is square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 1 is 1, square root of 4 is 2. Therefore, sin 30 degree value is 1 by 2. Next comes to the third number. This number I will simplify under the root first. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Square root of 1 is 1 divided by square root of 2 is root 2. Therefore, sin 45 degree value is 1 divided by root 2. Now 3 by 4, root 3 divided by what is square root of 4 is 2. So root 3 by 2. Same number divided by same number is 1. Square root of 1 is 1. So in the first step I filled all the numbers which is related to sine of angle 0 degree to 90 degree. Now I will going to write the cos values. The writing the cos values is very easy. Just you need to be write these values in the reverse direction. It means that first you write it here, then this number you write it here, 3 root 3 by 2. This number 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, then 0. So if we have written sine values, then it is very easy to write the cos values. Now let me go for the tan. Tan theta. So the basic definition of tan is it is the ratio of sin theta divided by cos theta. This is the one of the trigonometric identities. So now it means that to write all tan values, what we need to do? This number divided by this number we need to do. This number divided by this number. Now 0 divided by 1. 0 divided by 1 is going to be a 0. Now 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. If you want to be simplify this goes to numerator. 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3. 2 get cancelled. Therefore, it is 1 by root 3. Now comes to same number divided by same number is going to 1. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 is going to be 1. Now root 3 by 2, here I will simplify, root 3 by 2 divided by 2, 1 by 2. This goes to numerator, root 3 by 2 into 2 divided by 1. These two is to get cancelled. Root 3 by 1 is going to be root 3. Now the number which comes 1 divided by 0. So if there is a 1 divided by 0 which we cannot divide, hence I will write it as ND. What is this ND stands for? It is a infinity number. And what is this ND stands for? So which we cannot define. So ND stands for is the term 0 by 1 which we cannot define, that is stands for ND. So now you need to be already written the tan theta values. Then probably it would be very easy for us to write the cot theta values. So it is simple, just we need to be write this in the reverse direction. This is ND root 3 as usual 1 by root 3 0. So now with respect to cot theta values we have written all the values. Now we have left out with cosecant theta and secant theta. Now let me write the cosecant theta values. How to write the cosecant theta? So cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Means whatever the number which we have written for sin theta, that we need to be take it as reciprocal. So that we need to be take it as reciprocal here, which comes as 1 by 0. 1 by 0 which we cannot define. Therefore this I will write it ND, not defined. Now 1 by 2, take the reciprocal. 1 by 2, if you take the reciprocal, 2 by 1. So then 2 by 1 value is going to be 2. 1 by root 2, you need to be take the reciprocal. 1 by root 2 is root 2 by 1. Hence it is root 2. 2 by root 3. So 2 root 3 by 2, if you take the reciprocal, it is going to be a 2 divided by root 3. 2 by, this is 2 by root 3. 1 by 1 is going to be a 1. Or you change the numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator for all the sign values. Okay, now we left out with secant theta. So to fill this secant theta, we have here the definition. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. So hence all the cos theta values you need to be take the reciprocal. So 1 by 1 is going to be a 1. Now root 3 by 2, if you take the reciprocal, 2 by root 3. 1 by 2, if you take the reciprocal, root 2. By 1 is root 2. 1 by 2, if you take the reciprocal, is 2. So 0 by 1 by 0 which we cannot define, that is not defined. This is the very simple technique we used to write this trigonometric ratio table, and this table is very much essential to solve the problems of exercise 8.2. Okay, now let me take the exercise 8.2 of page number 15, the question number 1 and the question number 2. The question number 1 is sin 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree into cos 60 degree. Question number 2 is 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. So to evaluate this problem in the first step, I need to be substitute all the values from the trigonometric ratio table. Okay, so now sine 60 degree, the value of sine 60 degree from the trigonometric table is root 3 by 2 into cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree value is also root 3 by 2. Here there is a plus, we'll write it plus. Sine 30 degree from the table, that value is 1 by 2 into cos 60 degree value is also equal to 1 by 2. Now I need to be simplify. Root, multiply these two, then add them. Root 3 into root 3, it is root 9. What is square root of 9? Is going to be 3. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1 into 1 is 1 divided by 2 into 2 is 4, which is equal to, the denominators are same, hence only we need to be add the numerator. 3 plus 1 is 4 divided by 4. So same number by same number, which is equal to 1. Therefore the final answer, sine 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree into cos 60 degree, if we simplify, their value is equal to 1. Now the second question here also. So in the first step, I need to be substitute all the values from the trigonometric table. I will write these two as it is. Tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree value is 1. Here there is a square. I will put square. Plus cos square 30 degree. Cos 30 degree value is root 3 divided by 2 whole square minus sine square 60 degree. Sine 60 degree value is root 3 by 2 whole square. Next step, I will need to be simplify them. 2 into 1 square is going to be a 1 plus square and square root get cancelled. It is 3 divided by 2 square is going to be a 4. This square is for both the numerator as well as the denominator. Hence I written this bracket. Minus square and square root get cancelled. 3 divided by 2 square is 4. Now 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 is going to be 0. Therefore 2 into 1, which is equal to 0. 2 plus 0. Therefore the final answer is going to equal to 2. Okay, now the third question of same exercise. Cos 45 degree divided by secant 30 degree plus cosecant 30 degree. To solve this particular problem, in the first step, we need to be substitute all the values. So cos 45 degree value is going to be 1 by root 2 divided by secant 30 degree from the table 2 divided by root 3. Here it is a plus. I'll write plus. Next, cosecant 30 degree value is going to be 2. So I substituted all the values. Now I need to be simplify them. I will write the numerator as it is. 1 by root 2 comes to denominator. I will take the LCM in the denominator. So or cross multiply. 2 plus 2 root 3 divided by root 3. Now I will take this division to all the numerator, which is equal to 1 by root 2. The division symbol is going to be a multiplication symbol into numerator changes to denominator and denominator changes to numerator. Therefore this is goes to root 3 in the numerator divided by 2 plus 2 root 3. So now after this, what I will do is I will split and write this expression in simple form. So first I will write root 3 divided by root 2. I will write as it is into 1. I will write as it is. Here again I will take 2 as common, hence 2 it is going to be a 1 plus root 3. So this term I interchanged and have written like this in order to make it simplification simple way. After this step, in the next step I need to be simplified this first. So in order to simplify this, what I will do is multiply and divide by root 2 for both numerator and denominator. So it means that I will multiply root 2 for this expression for numerator as well as the denominator. Now we will multiply. It is become root 2 into root 3, root 2 into root 2 into the remaining number as it is 1 divided by 2, 1 plus root 3 as it is. Why I did like this? In order to make it the simplification very easy. Now I will multiply this root 2 into root 3. It is going to be a root 6 divided by root 2 into root 2 is root 4, hence it is square root of 4 is 2. Root 2 into root 2 is square root of 4. If you take the square root for 4, it is going to be 2 into, so 1 divided by 2 into 1 plus root 3 as it is. So now I will take these two, I will multiply these two with these two. Root 6 divided by 2 into 2 is 4 into 1 divided by 1 plus root 3. So now I will do the to simplify this number, I will do the rationalization. What is rationalization? You put into sign and change the sign of this and write it for both the numerator as well as the denominator. 1 minus root 3. In between here it is plus. So 1 minus root 3. So now in the next step, multiply all the numerator and multiply the denominator. So now I will multiply with the numerator. Root 6 into 1, or you write it 6 into 1 minus root 3 divided by 4 as it is. So here you can apply, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. It is in this form, a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. See, 1 plus root 3, a b, in between 1 plus 1 minus, therefore this is become what? A square. A square is 1 square minus root 3 square. So now I will multiply with the numerator. See, root 6 into 1 is root 6 minus root 6 into root 3 is root 18. Root 6 into root 3 is 18 divided by 4 as it is. So 1 square is 1, square and square root get cancelled, 1 minus 3. So now in the next step, root 6 minus root 18 divided by 4 into 1 minus 2 is minus 3 is minus 2. Here we will be getting minus. Therefore, in order to eliminate this minus, okay, I will interchange the terms and I will write it first, or else I will take the minus as common. So root 18 minus root 6 divided by 4 into 2 is going to be 8. So in the next step, root 18 I will write it as under the root of 9 into 2 minus root 6, I will write as it is, divided by 8. So which is equal to, what is square root of 9 is 3 root 2 minus root 6 divided by 8. So this is the final answer for this expression. This is the final answer. Okay, now the question number 4th of same exercise 8.2. The question is sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosecant 60 degree divided by secant 40 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. To solve this particular problem, in the first step I need to be substitute all the values. So where I get all the values, you need to be refer the trigonometric ratio table to write all the values. Sin 30 degree value is 1 by 2. Here it is a plus, I will write plus. Tan 45 degree value is 1 minus cosecant 60 degree value is 2 divided by root 3. So divided by secant 30 degree value is 2 divided by root 3 plus cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2 plus cot 45 degree value is 1. In the first step I just substituted all the values. Now I need to be simplify them. See, look at this 1 by 2 plus 1. Here I can easily take the LCM and I can simplify this 1 by 2 plus 1. So 1 plus 2 by 2 minus 2 by root 3 whole divided by, here also this 1 by 2 plus 1. This number I will write as it is 2 by root 3 plus 1 plus 2 by 2. So now 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3 whole divided by 2 by root 3 as it is plus 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. So again I need to be simplify this. So this I will write one line here to make it simplification much more easy. Okay, probably this looks nice to simplification. Now here also again I will take the LCM in the numerator as well as the denominator, or I will do the cross multiply. First I will do the cross multiply. 3 into root 3, 3 into root 3 minus 2 into 2 is 4 divided by 2 root 3, 2 root 3 again whole divided by, here also I will take the LCM or cross multiply. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 3 root 3 divided by 2 root 3. See, this 2 root 3, this 2 root 3 is going to get cancelled. The remaining terms in the numerator 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 4 plus 3 root 3. So in order to simplify this, I will do the rationalization. So here this sign has to be changed. 4 minus 3 root 3 for both the numerators as well as the denominator. 4 minus 3 root 3. So now I need to be multiply this term with this. Look at here also negative, here also negative. So this I will multiply with this followed by this. 3 into 4 is 12 root 3. Now 3 plus into minus, minus 3 into 3 is 9. Root 3 into root 3 is going to be with 3. Root 3 into root 3 is going to with 3. So now with this minus sign I need to be multiply. So minus plus into minus, minus 4 4s are 16, minus into minus, plus 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 4 root 3 into root 3 is going with root 3 divided by, here we can apply a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So here it is a plus, here it is a minus. So now 4 square minus 3 root 3 whole square. Now you need to be simplify this. Plus 12 root 3 plus 12 root 3 is plus 24 root 3 minus 9 3s are 27 minus 16 divided by 4 square is 16 minus 3 squares. 3 square is 9 into 3. So now I will simplify. Plus 24 root 3. So 24 root 3 I will write as it is, minus 27 and minus 16 is minus 43 divided by 16 minus 9 3s are 27. So now I will simplify this. 24 root 3 minus 43 divided by 16 minus 27 is minus 11. So next what I will do is I will take the minus common here, because in the denominator there is a minus. That minus I need to be cancel it, hence I will take the numerator, a minus common factor. So minus 43, if you multiply with minus, it is 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 11. Here I have taken the minus common in the numerator as well as denominator. That minus is going to get cancelled, hence the final answer is going to be 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 11. Okay, now the last question of first main exercise 8.2. 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 secant square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree divided by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. That's okay. In the first step I need to be substitute all the values from the trigonometric table. For the values, refer the table. See 5, I will write it as it is. Cos square 60 degree. Cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2. Here it is a square, hence it is cos square. Plus 4 I will write as it is. Secant 30 degree is 2 by root 3. Make it square. Minus tan 45 degree value is 1, therefore it is 1 square is going to be 1 only, divided by sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree value is 1 by 2, that is square, plus cos 30 degree value is root 3 by 2, whole square. I substitute all the values in the first step. Now I need to simplify them. 5 into 1 square is 1 divided by 2 square is 4 plus. So 4 into 2 square is 4 divided by square and square root get cancelled. It is 3 divided by 1 by 4 plus root square and square root cancel 3 divided by 4, which is equal to 5 divided by 4 plus 4 4s are 16 divided by 3 all divided by, see here 3 plus 1 is 4 divided by 4. So here denominators are same, only numerator we need to be add. So 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 divided by 4 is 1, hence the denominator value is going to 1. Now we need to be simplify only the numerator. We'll write the numerator here, 5 divided by 4 plus 16 by 3. Take the LCM or cross multiply. 5 3s are 15 plus 16 4s are 64. Here there is minus 1. Here also minus 1. Continue with same minus 1. Here minus 1. So now divided by 4 3s are 12 minus 1. So now I need to be simplify. Again take the LCM. 64 plus 15 is 79 by 12 minus 1. So 79 minus 12 divided by 12, which is equal to 79 minus 12 is 67 divided by 12. So this is the final answer. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe for more videos related to 10th maths for both CBSC as well as the state syllabus students. Thank you for watching once again.